Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-crafted resume can make all the difference. If you're good at writing and organizing information, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of resume formatting and keyword optimization. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on your experience. To stand out, focus on creating clean, professional designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a steady income stream. Next is ebook covers. Every author needs a captivating cover to attract readers, and if you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many authors pay $50 to $200 per cover depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to self-published authors directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. Third is social media graphics. Every business needs eye-catching visuals to stand out on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per graphic, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like 99 Designs or by reaching out to small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is print on demand. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Many designers earn $10 to $50 per sale depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. Finally, let's talk about customer services. As more businesses go online, the demand for remote customer service representatives is skyrocketing. If you're good at communication and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Zendesk or Live Chat. Many companies pay $15 to $30 per hour for customer service roles. To get started, offer your services on platforms like remote.co or Indeed. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose resume writing, ebook covers, social media graphics, print on demand, or customer services, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.